Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just processing my firewood, and I was just kind of thinking about my channel while I was doing it. It's a lot of multitasking. And that's about, my channel and my comments. So when you watch my videos and you comment, I always appreciate it, of course. But if you comment and you tell me that you don't like something, which is fine, and we all have a right to our own opinion. I consider your thoughts. But at the same time, if one person says, you make too many Bannock videos, I think about it and I consider it. But then if 3 people say, I want to see more Bannock videos, well, I'm going to make more Bannock videos because majority rules. So, kind of how it has to be. I mean, why should I deny videos for 3 people because one person doesn't like something? That's how I look at it. I mean, I always try to avoid using any clickbait in my videos titles, because if it's a video about Bannock and you don't want to watch a video about Bannock, well, it would be really uncool to post a clickbait title and you click on it thinking that you're going to see something and you're not. Personally, I hate that. I want to see the video I clicked on, not some other random video, which might be really good, but I had certain expectations. So it's just a food for thought. I'm actually out doing an overnighter this weekend, or well, at least tonight. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I've got dinner plans with Mom. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that in my tarp shelter video. Sorry I'm not looking at the camera when I'm talking, I'm just trying to multitask. I mean, the firewood, it's got to get prepped, so. Although I don't need to light it until much later, because it's not even cold out. I probably won't even need it until the sun starts going down. So now, what do you think? I mean, I do value what my viewers have to think. Because if you're going to take the time to watch a video, you're taking time out of your busy day to watch what I'm up to. So, man, it's a nice day out here. Can't have a fire without firewood, so. Sadly, I got a bunch of firewood in the back of my truck, but I can't get it started. I'm sure I've talked about it in another video, but man, sitting down while doing this is a lot easier. A lot less work. Gonna spend the night out here. I guess that was it for my thoughts. Guess I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, peace.